Looks good. Fully capped.
Ready for harvest.
Ready for harvest.
Filtration performance is optimal across all systems. Great, I'll initiate the quality test sequence for this batch.
The moisture content is optimal and the purity is exceptional.
Excellent. I am updating the database now. This batch is approved for the next stage. The temperature in tank 3 is stable at 25. Good, we can start the transfer soon.
The flow rate is holding steady at 99.8%.
Excellent. The calibration on line 3 looks perfect now. Each honey container passes through a high-resolution laser coating machine that prints MFG, July.
Every shipment is scanned and verified using advanced logistics software before loading begin, ensuring efficient nationwide distribution.
Is the load secured according to the plan?
Yes, sir. Straps are tightened and inspected.
Very good. Seal the doors.
Daddy, can we get this big one?
An excellent choice. Very rich aroma.
We'll definitely take that one. All right, tapping your card now. And here is your change. Everything is in the bags. Perfect, thank you so much. Have a great day.
Look at that golden honey.
Wow, that looks amazing. Can I have some more, please?